Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a super crispy, protein and fiber rich instant oats dosa recipe, ideal as a healthy meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup steel cut oats, half cup whole green mung dal, 1 teaspoon methi seeds, also known as fenugreek seeds. Add in some water and wash and rinse it thoroughly or until the water runs clear. Once thoroughly rinsed, add in some more water. I'm also adding in 3 to 4 whole red chilies. These are spicy red chilies, hence I'm adding only 4 red chilies. However, you can use red chilies as per your taste. And let it soak overnight. A minimum of at least 6 hours is ideal for soaking, especially when you're soaking grains like oats. It's always ideal to soak at least a minimum of 6 hours so that the phytates are released. Phytates may inhibit nutrient absorption and also may cause digestive issues to some people. So it's always ideal to soak grains like oats for a little longer. For now, I'm going to soak it overnight as I'm going to make instant oats dosa for breakfast. And the next day morning, everything is nicely soaked. So I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then I'm going to add it onto my blender jar. Add in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. 3 shallots. Instead of shallots, you can also use 1/4 of an onion. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida powder. Add in 1 cup of water. 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Also note that the water should be just above the ingredients. Half inch ginger, which I have roughly chopped into small pieces. Remember that ginger, jeera and hing will help with digestion, so try not to omit it. And now I'm going to blend this into a dosa batter consistency. Pour the blended instant oats dosa batter into a bowl. This is the consistency of the batter. It is neither too thick nor too thin, but of pourable consistency. Now you can make instant oats dosa with this batter. There is no need to ferment this dosa batter. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil or till oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1 ladleful of the instant oats dosa batter and spread it out as thinly as possible into a round circle. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed sesame oil. Now instead of sesame oil, you can also use A2 desi ghee. Cover and let it cook on low to medium flame. Couple of minutes later, open the lid and carefully roll the dosa. You can see how crispy this instant oats dosa is. Transfer to the serving plate and enjoy this with the chutney. So guys, do try this healthy instant crispy oats dosa and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.